and it seems like we're headed in for a green start, and we're latching on to that 25,100 print. A better day for the broader end of the market, although these are just early days yet. Let's see where the market settle in at and what sort of trades we actually see 15 minutes into trade. But yeah, BSE, CDSL, AngelOne, we were just chatting about that entire capital market theme because that's going to be in focus post the SEBI board meet. Most of these stocks are holding up quite smartly in trade as we speak right now. Tata Tech, after that German company acquisition, look out for what that stock does. We're going to be chatting with the management as well in the due course of the show. And then, of course, there's Star Health as well, wherein the GI Council has assured policyholders of no disruptions further on. Flat right now for that stock as we speak. Apollo Hospitals, acquisition of about 1250 odd crore rupees. There's of course HDFC, AMC, ABSL, AMC, Nippon India, UTI AMC, given that max exit load has been fixed at 3% now. So these stocks also come under focus. And then of course Adani Power, after that thermal power project in Bihar, which they've bagged to the tune of about 2,400 megawatts, or Engineers India, wherein that 618 crore rupee order from Africa-based fertilizer firm is what they've bagged, or a Voltas or a Blue Star, wherein the PLI scheme window has reopened now. So some of these cap goods names are the ones which are holding out quite smartly. Engineers India, that's where I see a significant blue tick. Over a 3% move is what you're seeing on that stock. Eternal just had a block deal. Right now the stock is holding up 1% as we speak right now. So these are a bunch of stocks which are in focus this morning. Let's also check in on what the likes of an Infosys as well are up to, and then what Vedanta is doing, given that they've resolved that long-standing dispute with SEBI on issues with regards to Vedanta Power business. So that's the other stock which is in focus. There's Yatharth Hospital. They're looking to acquire Shantiveer Institute of Medical Sciences in Agra for a price consideration of 260 crore rupees. So Yatharth will just come up for you on your screens next. And then of course Tega as well, which is looking to raise about 4,000 crore rupees. Plutus Wealth, remember, bought over 5 lakh shares or so at 1963 via block deals in this stock. 1.5% higher for Tega Industries as we speak right now. And other than that, there's Alembic Pharma, wherein the US FDA has cleared the API 1 and API 2 facilities. The Seagull as well, which is in focus. Railtel, which has got a LOA for about 210 crore rupees worth of the project. So these stocks are going to be in focus this morning. Well, yes, a lot of these newsmakers are indeed making decent moves, but along with that, within the auto packets, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, that are seem to be having a bit of a rebound. But on the flip side, it's the IT heavy Infosys that is down almost 1.5%. Dr. Reddy's, after those observations coming in for one of their facilities, is down almost 1.5%. And so is Sun Pharma and Cipla as well. So the pharma is definitely seem to be taking a bit of the back seat. But nothing much to complain, given the fact that on the breadth of the market, that is looking quite good right now, especially in terms of the advance and decline ratio. But one concern could actually be India Wix, because that is near that 10 odd levels, but for today it's seeing an inch up of almost 3%. So the volatility, or rather the fear index, is seeing a bit of an inch up. Let's see how the markets react to that, because for now we have seen Nifty coming off the day's highest point and has now slipped below that 25,100 mark as well. But Kunal, how do you see the markets open? Do you believe that it's going to be one of those range